Hello everybody and welcome back to Caldera Creative Creations. We got a spectacular one going on today, so let's get started. We are working with a 16-inch grapevine wreath. We are also working with our Bodabra today. Hey, we got 34-inch black. We got 55-inch checkered. We got this beauty. Purple 46 inches. Okay, we got that. And we are working with some beautiful eucalyptics and some purple. We are working with purple today. And a mix of these. These are beautiful. We also got some purples and some little oranges. We got our wire cutter. We got our scissors. And we also got a piece of wire for our Bodabra. So let's scoot this to the side and we are going to get our bowl going. Yes, indeed. How is everybody doing today? I am just so happy to be here. Excited to show you guys this. Okay. First thing we are going to work our little bow we're going to make. We're going to first put the wiring in. Excuse me. This is a long piece. I'm just going to put each side to the ends, and there's a loop at the other end, and we are going to put that in here. Now we are going to get this beautiful bow. It's a 6-inch little tail. Grab this over here. Little small loops. Twist it. Excuse me. I'm new at this Bodabra too, but hey, we are learning together. Get this again. You put it in, twist it. Okay, we're going to make 2 small ones. And the next one is going to be kind of longer. Okay, we're going to get this one. Make sure it's twisted. There. Get this other one a little longer. And we're going to twist. So we give it the bow look. Get another one. Put that right here. Yeah. How is that? This kind of a longer tail, but here. Now, we'll just cut that off. Make a little fancy little ducktail. There. These together. And voila. We are going to grab our next ribbon. It's going to be the black. What's this wiring on there? This. It's going to be like a little 6-inch shell. There. Twist it. Then we're just going to get another one. Twist it, and there's that one. Kind of bigger than the other. Longer. There. Now we're going to get this other one. It's going to be around like 6 inches. I'm going to take this one this way. Make sure you twist it when you put it in there. It's good to work with the wiring, the wired one. Ribbons. Twist it. Okay. Get another one and twist it. That. another one. Twist it. Then one more. I don't need to twist that one. I'm going to twist it. There is another bow, everybody. Wow. Then we're going to pick these two sides up. What happened to it? Oh, there it is. And pick these two sides up. Hang on. Get this part for the bow down and squish it down. There. And we're going to pick this up. The side. I did it again. Side where the hole is. We're going to insert the other wire. The other two wires, we're going to insert them there and fasten it up and pull tight. Pull tight. Get this going like that. There it is, everybody, our little bow. Now let's pull it out. Puff it out and see what we got. Look at that. How cute. Oh, look at that. There it is, a little bow. We are going to insert it on our wreath. Okay, now. Gonna get there. I can open it. This, and we are going to insert this about right here. Get it in the back and tie it tight. Get our wire cutters. There we go. How is that? Get that. Beautiful colors, huh? Experiment with your colors. Let's go all out. This is fall, but yet let's just try to bring a different color in there, you know? Look what you come out with. Okay, now we are working with our eucalyptus. We are gonna just work around this way. Some in here like that. Look at that. Got some small pieces. I think I'm gonna put some right here. Oh. That. Let's get this in here. Another one. Let's get another one over here. Look at that. Beautiful. I think we're going to stop right there and start adding in some more different colors. Okay, look at that. Now we're going to get our beautiful purple ones. Let's work with these. Okay, we gotta get some of these. We got some long stemmed ones we cut. We got some short stem ones. Gonna try to put out the big ones right here so they have more. There we go. Look at that. To come out and show the beautiness of them. Get that. Okay, and then we're going to come down here. Let's get some going right in here. And put them this way. Right up there, look at that. That. There we go. Get another one down in here. That. Now we're gonna stop right there with these. I think. Let me see now. Now slow down on those. We're gonna put some purple in there to kind of mix up the coloring. Watch just what the different color will do. Get some up here. Get that. Get a little bit right in here. Step back and visualize. Oh my, look how beautiful. How's it looking, everybody? Yeah. I just love working with florals. We're going to get this guy over here. This right there, I think. Let's get a little bit more right in here. How's that, everybody? Okay. Now I think we're going. Nah, keep going. Let's get some purple down in here mixed with this. We're going to get some more eucalyptics up here because I want to be the bold side right here. Stand out. Look at that. Wow. We're going to get more bold down here. Lift these up and put this other eucalyptics in there. Look at that, everybody. Wow. So beautiful. I think I'm going to put another one of these beauties right here. Look at that. Now we are going to stop right there and we are going to get some of these beauties going on. Let's see. Wait, let's get some orange. Let's do the orange. Let's get this orange. See, look at so it match with this. Let's see. We got some long stems and we got some short stems. The long ones going up here. Like I say, you could use your glue gun or wiring for extra secure on your florals. Look at that. Wow. How beautiful. Look at that. And let's get some down here. Just how this orange just brings it out. I got these items at the 99 cents store. They had some pretty florals this year. Well, these ones they got at I think at Joann's. They were having a 70% sale. Let's get this one down. Look at that. Okay. Let's get some more. Let's get some more bold orange up in here, Mama. Here. Look at that. Wow. Ooh. Some more right here. Now let's get some of these beauties in here. Let's get a mixture of some other florals going on in here. Got that. Get some in here. Wow. Get that. Some over here. Get some down in here. There we go. Get one more over here. And how is that looking, everybody? I think we got it. Let's add a little more purple in here. Look at that. Some more purple down in here. Look at that. How gorgeous is this, everybody? Some more over here. I'm going to get another one over here. Let's get some more purple up here. And there it is, everybody. I think we got it. Look at that. Woo. How gorgeous that came out. You know what? I think I'm going to pin it on my wall for you guys to see. Hang on. Oh, wait. I'll just leave it like that. My sun came off. I'll just leave it down like this. My sign came off here. Okay, here. Let me fix this again. Okay, hang on. Let's get this up here. Hang on, everybody. There. Let's see what's going on, everybody. Look at that. Ooh. How gorgeous is that? Look at that. All the different colors, purple and oranges, eucalyptics. Once again, everybody, thanks for, oh, excuse me. Thanks for coming to my channel. If you got any ideas or inspiration, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. And you also will be helping my channel grow with that much thanks. And look at this. Let's get that smile on everybody and have a great, wonderful day. Wow, so beautiful. Thanks for watching.